What's the meaning of championship? Championship. Championship.
Championship. Championship. Championship refers to a competition or contest in which participants compete for the title of being the best in their field, sport, or activity. The goal is to win and be recognized as the champion. Achieving championship status requires dedication, discipline, and hard work. Participants must train and prepare both physically and mentally to perform at their best under pressure. The winner is typically determined through a series of matches or events until there is only one person/team left standing. Becoming a champion brings prestige, recognition, and often rewards such as trophies, prizes, and financial compensation. Overall, championship represents the pinnacle of achievement in a specific area of expertise.